If you're running a facility in Saudi Arabia, you know the pressure is always on. Keeping your plant operating safely, efficiently, that's priority number one. Well, in the next few minutes, we're going to break down the hidden electrical risks that are probably threatening your operation right now, and more importantly, show you a proven way to take back control.
Okay, let's just jump right in with the question that, probably keeps a lot of you up at night. What does just one single hour of unexpected downtime actually cost you? And as we're about to see, that number goes way, way beyond just a simple loss of output.
Because in that hour, it's like a domino effect. The entire chain reaction kicks off. Production just grinds to a halt. All those critical deadlines you have, suddenly, they're in serious jeopardy. And your hard-earned profits, they just vanish. A single electrical fault can spiral into a full-blown crisis, fast.
But here's the thing, downtime is just the most obvious threat. The dangers lurking underneath are often way more severe. We're talking about the catastrophic risk of an arc flash incident, the heavy financial penalties for non-compliance, or even just the slow, creeping inefficiency of aging equipment that quietly bleeds your budget dry day after day.
So, how do you get ahead of these problems? How do you get out of that cycle? Well, it's all about shifting your mindset. Moving your facility away from just reacting to emergencies and toward a culture of proactive, predictable reliability. It's about taking control before you lose it.
And that's exactly where we come in. At ASCA Solution, we are that single, expert partner for all of your industrial electrical challenges. Our entire focus, everything we do, is about delivering what actually matters to your bottom line: safety, reliability, and of course, profitability.
We do this through a proven step-by-step process. It all starts with a really deep dive consultation. Because, let's face it, a solution can't work if it doesn't solve your exact needs. From there, our engineers design a custom plan before our certified technicians get to work on a precise installation. And finally, we lock in that long-term success with rigorous testing and proactive maintenance. There's no guesswork here, just a process that's built for results.
Okay, so let's get into the specifics. Let's look at the core solutions that make all this possible. Every single service we offer is engineered to solve the challenges we've been talking about and to keep your facility running at its absolute peak.
Our maintenance and troubleshooting service? Think of it as your front line of defense against downtime. Instead of just waiting for things to break, we use advanced tools like infrared thermography. This is amazing stuff. It lets us literally see the heat signatures from failing parts, so we can spot failures long before they have a chance to shut you down.
Whether you're building a brand new facility or you're retrofitting an older one, a solid electrical foundation is absolutely everything. We design and install custom systems that are optimized for power distribution and safety, making sure your infrastructure isn't just built for today, but that it's ready for whatever demands come tomorrow.
Stable power is the lifeblood of your operation, right? We make sure it never stops flowing. By installing and maintaining everything from transformers to backup generators and UPS systems, we build in layers of protection that guarantee continuity, even if the main grid goes down.
But really, our deepest commitment is to safety, and we go way beyond just simple checks. An arc flash is a terrifying explosion of electrical energy, and our critical analysis pinpoints these high-risk areas. We then put robust controls and lockout/tagout procedures in place to neutralize that danger, protecting your people and ensuring you're in full compliance.
Now look, any company can list off services. What truly defines us at ASCA Solution is our commitment. Our commitment to building lasting partnerships. Partnerships that are founded on a bedrock of proven trust and, most importantly, measurable results.
Our experience is measured in decades and in hundreds of successful projects. With over 30 years in the field and more than 300 major projects completed, we bring a real legacy of industrial excellence to every single job. We've seen these challenges, and we've solved them before. But, the most important number to us is this one right here, our 99.9% client satisfaction rate. For us, this isn't just a number. It reflects our core belief that just finishing a project isn't good enough. We're focused on making sure our partners are genuinely happy with the results, the process, and the value we deliver.
But hey, don't just take our word for it. Our clients, like Azam Mahar, they really say it best. These guys are just amazing, quality of work and expertise at best. I mean, that's the kind of feedback that just fuels our entire team.
And this feedback from another one of our partners really captures our ultimate goal, to be reliable. We build these long-term relationships through exceptional professionalism and an unwavering focus on the details, every single time.
These results are built on 3 core promises that we make to every single partner. First, complete transparency. That means no surprises from budget to delivery. Second, dedicated support, so you always know your project is our top priority. And third, an uncompromising commitment to quality that ensures flawless execution. So when you boil it all down, our work is really about one thing: powering your success. We've built our reputation on being that single, go-to name for any industrial electrical challenge here in the kingdom.
So what's the key takeaway here? It's simple. We ensure your facility's safety, its reliability, and its profitability. That is our core mission, and that is our unwavering promise to you.
So, for any industrial electrical challenge you might be facing, whether it's advanced thermal imaging, a full preventative maintenance plan, a complete system installation, or an urgent emergency repair, there is one name you need to remember: ASK Solution.
And we'll leave you with just one final thought. Take a good look at your own operation, your own systems, and just ask yourself this: is your facility's electrical system truly built for the challenges of tomorrow? If there's even a little bit of doubt, we're here to help you answer with a confident yes.